Hello there, Cancer sign. Welcome to your monthly reading. This reading is for the month of October for the Cancer people. So, Cancer, hindi lahat ng Cancer maka-resonate sa reading na to. So, takes what resonates and leave the rest, okay? So, cross-watchers, pwedeng kayo to at hindi sila Cancer sign. So, Cancer, if hindi kayo naka-resonate sa reading na to, please to check your other placement. Your Sun, your Moon, your Rising, your Venus sign, dahil pwedeng doon kayo maka-resonate. So, kahit naka-resonate kayo sa reading na to, still do watch your other placement, guys. Kasi pwedeng mag-connect doon yung reading ninyo. However, maka-resonate pa rin kayo. So, let's start. Cancer, ano yung kailangan yung malaman this month of October? Okay, so ano yung kailangan nyong malaman this month of October, Cancer people? So, what is happening right now before natin na malaman yan? Ano yung nangyayari ngayon? So, let's see. So, what is happening right now? What is happening? Merong ending na nangyari sa inyo ngayon. Ang dahilan, yung person mo is naging easy-go-lucky sa situation. If wala ka, nagmimistula siyang parang single. Okay? So, nagkaroon to ng clarity sa'yo. Kaya kayo na naghiwalay. Okay? You might be dealing with an Aries, Sagittarius, Leo signs, Scorpio sign is here. Cancer, I can see that you are very much focused in your relationship until sa nagkaroon ng clarity sa'yo. Kasi bakit? Malakas yung intuition mo. Napapansin mo sa relationship ninyo na parang you are in a relationship pero it seems like may mga bagay na hindi siya sinasabi sa'yo. May mga sikreto na hindi siya sinasabi sa'yo. Maybe nagiging wavy yung relationship ninyo. Nagiging immature because of your person. Okay, your person is being so friendly with other people. I can see unexpectedly na nangyari to. Unexpectedly mong nalaman to. And kaya ikaw mismo yung nag-cut off ng relationship ninyo, Cancer. Sobrang na-stress ka sa mga nangyari. Hindi ka nakatulog. And andun ka sa point of gusto mong i-rebuild yung self mo this time. Kasi feeling ko dito, Cancer, sa sobrang focus mo talaga sa relationship ninyo because you are afraid of parang maghiwalay kayo na mapunta siya sa iba or meron fear sa'yo dito about this eh. Until sa nagkaroon talaga to ng clarity sa'yo unexpectedly. So what happened? Let's see. So what happened, Cancer, recently? Ang ganda ng plano ng person na ninyo, dalawa ng person mo dito, Cancer. I can see here parang changes. You really want the changes. You have a plan for the both of you for the future. Pero seems like may mga clarity ka na gustong malaman dito sa relasyon ninyo. And I think nakita ko dito, parang nagkaroon talaga ng third party situation sa sitwasyon ninyo. Parang andun ka sa point na you really love this person unconditionally. Okay? And naging fair ka talaga sa taong ito kasi nag-focus ka talaga sa sitwasyon ninyo. This person, nandyan din naman siya sa'yo. Nagpapakita siya sa'yo ng pagmamahal, moving forward towards with you. Kaya nga unexpectedly nalaman mo bakit ganito. So, I can see recently, nakita ko dito that somebody walk away calmly in the situation. And parang you want judgment You want an explanation from this person. So, ito yung nangyari. Kaya pala. This person walk away calmly in your relationship. Umalis siya dito ng tahimik, kalmado. And sa sobrang pagmamahal mo sa kanya, hindi mo alam kung bakit niya ginawa yun. Pero may mga intuition ka na dito. May mga nararamdaman ka na baka merong third party involved. Okay, pero that recently, hindi wala pa tong clarity sa'yo. Until sa point na this moment, nung naghiwalay na kayo talaga, is meron ng clarity that this person is being wishy-washy talaga. Like, hindi lang ikaw, I think hindi lang isa. Kaya, nag-decision ka talaga dito na putulin talaga yung relasyon ninyo. So, let's see kung anong naramdaman ng person mo this time sa'yo. Kasi feeling ko, ang ano bot nito, so unfair. Kasi, sobrang binigay ko sa'yo yung pagmamahal ko. Unconditional love. And I thought that you also do. So, pero I know I feel something wrong. Pero hindi ko yun maklear masyado. Walang clarity until sa nagkaroon na ng clarity ngayon sa'yo na naghiwalay na kayo. Lately mo na nalaman. So, ano yung nararamdaman ng person mo na to? You might be dealing with the same Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Leo sign as I said. Nandito naman lahat ng element. So, hindi siya sure actually Cancer sa mga nararamdaman niya because he is also in another relationship. So, hindi niya ganun ka-feel yung spark sa relasyon ninyo, Cancer. Yun yung nararamdaman niya. Parang hindi niya appreciated yung relationship ninyo. And hindi siya sure. Kasi nga, he is also in another relationship. Alam niya, ramdam niya yung pagmamahal mo talaga sa kanya. Pero meron din siyang iba. So, dalawa pala kayo dito sa buhay niya. Diba yung sabi ko kanina? Hindi lang ikaw, hindi lang isa. Baka meron pa nga siyang ibang kausap pa. So, nagkaroon talaga to ng clarity. Baka this is someone from his past or, yeah. Kaya, this person really betray you. Alam niya to. Alam niya na niloloko ka niya. Minsan na tong kinagulo ng isipan niya, na-stress na siya dito until siguro sa point na it leave him no choice or her no choice na umalis na lang siya dito ng kalmado without explanation. And parang para sa'yo, oh my God, it's very unfair. So, lately mo nalaman yung katotohanan dito. So, ano yung nararamdaman mo ngayon? So, you might also be dealing here with the Pisces sign. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. So, what is your feeling right now, Cancer? Thinking about decision. Even, alam mo, mayroon ka pa din feeling of, gusto ko pang ipaglaban to. Pero sobra kang nasaktan talaga sa mga nangyari. Sobrang betrayals ang feeling mo dito. Sobrang sakit na binigay ng person mo. Feeling ko ito, hindi to ipaglaban. Revenge. This is what you fear. You are thinking of a decision of having a revenge kasi nga, itong person na to, sobra kanyang sinaktan. However, nandun ka sa point that ginulo niya yung buhay mo. Napagod ka sa kakahintay sa kanya, sa pagbalik niya, until lately nalaman mo yung clarity about this. You are very much disappointed and this is what you feel. However, you still want or you're still waiting for this person na siya mismo mag-explain sa'yo. Yun yung hinihintay mo ngayon. Gusto mo malaman sa kanya mismo kasi umalis siya dito ng kalmado, tahimik siyang umalis dito. So, gusto mo sa kanya mismo galing yung clarity this time. This is what you feel. So, what will going to happen this month of October about the situation? Anong mangyayari this month of October? For the Cancer people, anong mangyayari this month of October? Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising. So, I can see here, sobrang disappointed even this October, Cancer. Ang bigat ng nararamdaman mo ngayon, ang bigat ng problema mo sa taong ito. Feeling mo kasi sa ginawa niya, this is 10-10. Ang bigat nito, ang sakit nito. Hanggang ngayong October, ramdam mo pa din to. Feeling mo ikaw lang yung nagpapasa ng problema ninyong dalawa. So, I can see here, Cancer, na you really want right away to move on. Not to feel the pain anymore. Andun ka sa point that you don't even wanted to talk to people. Gusto mo lang mapag-isa ngayon at mag-isip ng ma-enlighten yung buhay mo. To find the right path of your life. Kasi sobrang ano mo dito, plano mo para sa relasyon ninyong dalawa. Suddenly, nalaman mo yung clarity about that person that is also having another relationship or even having a family commitment, something like that. Wala naman ako nakitang marriage, baka live-in partner, something like that. So, and bigla na lang siyang nawala ng kalmado. Maybe this person ghosted you, some of you. So, you are really like focusing this time sa sabihin natin na pag-let go mo sa sitwasyon na to. Kasi ang hirap even mag-let go. Kasi minahal mo talaga to. Sobrang trap ka sa sitwasyon. Sobrang, this person really leave you a question mark. Siguro, clarity dito about sa mga nakita mo habang you're spying this person, pero not totally galing sa kanya mismo na sinabi niya sa'yo. So, parang hindi ka kontento doon. And you want a justice sa mga nangyari. You really want a justice. This October, this is what you want. So, let's see kung ano yung mga pwedeng mangyari in the near future for the outcome of this reading. Okay, so in the near future, Cancer, I can see a decision here. You will going to walk away in this situation talaga. Kasi ayaw mo nang matrap, ayaw mo nang ma-confuse, ayaw mo nang matrap sa sarili mo na lang mga iniisip, mga imagination or sa mga sarili mong memories with this person. So, ayaw mo na nito. Ayaw mo nang masaktan. And you are really thinking or focusing or having this effort na lumayo na lang talaga mismo. And disidido ka na dito talaga that somehow nag-iisip ka pa din ng justice about what happened. Okay? May dadating sa'yo bago in your life this in the near future, pero you are not really that sure about commitment kasi parang nawalan ka na ng tiwala sa kahit na sino man. Kasi nasa nasa point of healing process ka pa even in the near future. Hindi naman to the near future na ilang taon talaga, no? Pwede itong mangyari in the near future na we never know after this October, might be next year, you know. So, I can see na magle-let go ka din naman, pero you're still thinking about, hindi mo makalimutan yung mga nagawa niya sa'yo. So, I will going to pull an oracle card. This is a message from your angels. Or message from an angel for you, Cancer people. Sa mga naka-resonate na to. From Angel Azure, your desired outcome will occur in the very near future. Have patience and faith and don't try to force it to happen. So this is what you really want right away this month of October. So sabi ni Angel Azure, your desired outcome, and this is the moving on. will occur in the very near future. So, just have patience. Wag mong i-force yung mga bagay na hindi mo kailangan i-control. So, yon. Darating din tayo dyan. Ganun talaga ang situation, Cancer people. Lalo na sa'yo, you are very much sensitive and you are true pag magmahal. Especially to the Cancer woman out there. Grabe ka din masaktan because you love love. This is your nature, the love. Nagmamahal ka talaga ng totoo. Nabibigay mo talaga lahat pag nagmahal ka. Kaya kung masasaktan ka, sobra ka din pag masaktan. And it's really hard for you to move on. And this is your nature, Cancer. Pero I will tell you that dadaan talaga tayo sa ganyan, but just be strong. Darating tayo, gaya ng sabi ni Angel Azure, darating din yan in the near future. Just be strong. Focus on yourself this time. To be happy, however, kahit malungkot ka sa gabi, dapat maging masaya ka sa umaga. And don't deny your happiness. Really, you will going to be happy. You will going to enjoy your life like without any, like sabi natin na pretend, hindi ka nagpe-pretend that you will going to do this. Try hard kasi pag i-embrace mo yung weakness mo, i-embrace mo yung emotions mo, yung sensitivity mo, yung pain mo, mahirap ka mag-let go dito. So, dahan-dahanin mo lang and makukuha mo din yan. So, this is my reading for you for the month of October, Cancer. Thank you and God bless.